What does this mean for the merger, and who is on the hook if it dissolves? For more, we welcome Bloomberg senior deals reporter Ed Hammond. Is the market, I mean, it's clearly somewhat surprised because the shares are falling, but should they be? We've known Attorney General's concerns about this deal.
I think it is reasonable that they're falling, Caroline, particularly Sprint, which would obviously come off much worse if this merger were to break up. And look, I think the question, as you rightly say, we know that there has been some concern about this among the state AGs and indeed potentially at the top of the DOJ. But I think the fact that they've come out ahead of the DOJ, ahead of the FTC with this announcement that they are going to sue, it is telling, and it suggests that they want to apply some pressure, at least to Makram Delrahim, who runs the DOJ, to try and get him to follow suit. And you know, if he does, and if the DOJ and the FTC also come out against this, I think it becomes significantly harder for the companies to close any deal.
So this has been a long-running saga for so long. What impact would this have on future consolidation in telecom or in media?
I think we have to wait to see what happens next. If the DOJ get on board with this and then they do sue and they do block the deal, then I think that has a really chilling effect on particularly big M&A in the space where there's already a lot of consolidation. If you look at something, like the telephone companies, 4-3, it's tough to see other industries or other TMT industries going down that route. That said, we saw the AT&T Time Warner stuff sort of come to a similar thing where DOJ sued to block it. They said, no, you're too big. It will create too much of a sort of Leviathan. And they said, well, that's wrong. We're going to go to court. And they went to court and they won. So I think that it will have a chilling effect at the front end in terms of people will be less inclined to go out and execute very, very large deals. Whether or not it actually means people can't get things done if they're willing to litigate remains to be seen.